Imagine a world where internet speeds exceeds imagination, security is unbreakable, and computing power surpasses your wildest dreams. This is the next era of connectivity, quantum internet. In the next few minutes, we will take you on a quest deep down to the quantum realm. Sit back and get ready for a mind-bending journey as we delve into the breathtaking possibilities of quantum internet. Picture the regular internet on a turbocharged, futuristic steroids. It's not just any technology. It's the result of harnessing the mind-bending quirks of quantum mechanics with this quantum internet. Devices communicate in ways that defy convention, offering capabilities that existing web applications can only dream of. But wait, it doesn't replace our beloved internet. It's more like adding a cosmic sidekick, a secret weapon that tackles challenges too immense for conventional computers. So what exactly is this quantum internet? Quantum internet is not just an upgraded version of our traditional internet. It is an entirely new way of exchanging information and communicating securely, unlike classical computing and communication systems, which rely on bits and binary logic. Quantum internet operates on principles of quantum physics. In classical computing, information is stored and transmitted as bits, which can either be a 0 or 1. However, in the quantum realm, data is stored in quantum bits or qubits, which can exist as both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This unique characteristic, known as superposition, allows quantum computers to perform complex calculation at an incredible speed. Think of it as a magic show where things can be in two places at once. Quantum internet employs these qubits to shuttle information, creating a web of communication that transcends time and space. I know you're wondering, where do these qubits come from? There is equipment called quantum computers or processors. These computers are especially designed to facilitate the creation of qubits. Another important concept about quantum internet is this so-called quantum entanglement. I assume this word is familiar to you if you watch Marvel movies. Hello, Scott Lang? Ant-Man? Anyways, when qubits become entwined, they synchronize in a way that defies distance. Quantum entanglement allows two or more particles to become correlated in such a way that the state of one particle instantly affects the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. This phenomenon, known as spooky action at a distance. According to Einstein, quantum entanglement paves the way for unbreakable encryption and secure information exchange. Imagine a world where hackers and eavesdroppers become obsolete, as any attempt to intercept or tamper with quantum information would instantly be detected. Now you have an idea what quantum internet is about. It's time to imagine the countless possibilities this technology will bring to us. Fasten your seatbelts, explorers, as we delve into the infinite application of quantum internet. First up, imagine an elite team of quantum devices working together through the quantum internet. They tackle challenges that even supercomputers would shy away from cracking intricate number puzzles to unraveling complex logistics. And that's not all. Quantum internet turbocharges data transfers and paves the way for groundbreaking experiments in astronomy, materials discovery, and life sciences. It's like having an unstoppable squad of problem-solving superheroes at our beck and call. Get ready to upgrade your security game. Quantum internet is here to revolutionize communication security with its quantum encrypted messages. Ever heard of quantum key distribution? It's the ultimate secret sharing technique where parties can exchange cryptographic keys over the quantum network without any prying eyes. Imagine an unbreakable lock guarding your data, ensuring it remains safe and secure. This makes the quantum internet the guardian of your secrets. Hold onto your hats for this mind-bending feat: quantum teleportation. No, it's not teleporting people, but the transfer of quantum information between qubits. We create an unbreakable bond between qubits, and by teleporting information between them, we achieve something truly magical: instantaneous communication. Imagine sending messages faster than the speed of light, rewriting the rules of traditional communication. Quantum Internet, where information defies time and distance. In the realm of quantum internet, accessing a powerful quantum computer becomes as simple as a click. Say goodbye to the hassles of owning a physical machine and say hello to quantum computing in the cloud. With quantum internet, you gain access to quantum superpowers at your fingertips. A game changer for fields like finance, medicine, and science. It's like having a warp speed boost for all your data needs. Picture the future of Internet of Things with quantum internet by its side. If you are not familiar with the terms Internet of Things or IoT, this refers to the collective network of connected devices and the technology that facilitates communication between devices and the cloud, as well as between devices themselves. Quantum-powered IoT ensures safer, faster data transmission, paving the way for innovative new devices and services that regular communication can't handle. The IoT enters a new dimension of possibilities, supercharged by quantum internet. Prepare for a GPS revolution, courtesy of quantum internet. Watch as GPS become remarkably accurate and reliable, thanks to the precision of quantum clocks and instant communication. No more navigating through lakes according to your GPS. Quantum internet upgrades your navigation experience to a whole new level. Enter a new era of computing power. Quantum internet unleashes supercharged computers that works at lightning speeds, revolutionizing fields like finance, medicine, and science. With the quantum internet, processing massive amounts of data becomes a breeze, propelling us into a new realm of discovery and innovation. Imagine a symphony of quantum sensors united by quantum internet. These extraordinary sensors, with their unparalleled sensitivity and unique properties, create a worldwide network that acts as a super precise instrument. From studying black holes to electromagnetic imaging, quantum internet takes precision to superhero levels, ensuring data security and accuracy. As we gaze into the future of quantum internet, excitement fills the air. Researchers and scientists tirelessly push the boundaries of quantum computing and communication, inching closer to a world where quantum internet is a reality. With robust quantum hardware, stable qubits, and efficient networks, the possibilities are vast and limitless. Major milestones have already been achieved, showcasing the immense potential of quantum internet. As we continue this extraordinary journey, we draw closer to a future where quantum internet transforms every aspect of our lives. As we conclude our exploration of quantum internet, it becomes clear that the impact of this revolutionary technology will be immense, from transforming industries such as finance, healthcare, and communication to unlocking new possibilities in scientific research. Quantum internet holds the key to a future beyond our imagination. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the world of quantum internet. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes as we bring you the latest breakthroughs and advancement in the world of technology. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching!